Does your airline experience flight delays caused by unpredictable failures of your avionics systems? If so, it might be time to take a closer look at your avionics service provider. Because depending on the quality of service, the provider you choose could affect the reliability of your avionics by as much as 25%. That can mean more removals, leading to more delays, and a larger inventory of spares required to operate your fleet. Imagine a solution that can deliver both predictable costs and higher reliability, while empowering you to substantially reduce your spares inventory. With a dispatch agreement from Collins Aerospace, we make it all possible. We provide reliability upgrades at no extra cost, along with the OEM expertise and support you need to optimize your maintenance operations and reduce the upfront cost of ownership. And because some hardware failures can be unpredictable, we provide access to our global asset pools and ensure guaranteed availability to keep your operations flying smoothly. Plus, by connecting you with a dedicated single point of contact, we make sure that our 24/7 industry-leading support is always there when you need it most. Ready to see why we're the smarter choice for your airline? Learn more today.